you've ever wanted to run a buy one get one for free offer on Shopify and had no idea how to set it up, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a BOGO offer using Monk, one of my favorite Shopify apps for upsells and gifts. And the best part that this offer works with any Shopify plan you have. So whether you want to offer a free item or a second one at 50% off or maybe a mix and match deal, you will be able to do it easily in just a few minutes. So let's dive in. So this is the Monk app, and the first thing that you need to do is to install this app on your Shopify store. After doing this, you need to allow this app within your theme editor. So from your Shopify dashboard, you go to online store and to the current theme that you have published. So you click on customize. And in here, under the apps section, you need to make sure that the Monk app is already on, it's enabled, in order to be able to see all the offers that you are going to create within the Monk app. So don't forget this step. Once this is done, we can go back to our app and we can start creating our first offer. So if you go in here to the Monk app, you can see the app dashboard, and in here you will see all the different type of offers that you can play around with, maybe test it, see what works for your business, what works for your audience, and so on. I've already moved forward and created the offer. I'm going to show it to you, then we are going to recreate a similar offer together. So if you go in here to manage offers, you will see that I have one offer, which is buy one get one for free, and if you click in here on edit, you will see all the settings of this offer, and in here you have even a summary of the offer if you want to double check and make sure that you have got everything right. Now if I preview my store and I go to this exact product where I have activated this offer, you can see that whenever I add this product to cart, I will be receiving the same product for free. So this is the product where I have activated the offer. I'm gonna click on it and go to the product page. And as you can see within the product page, we can see the offer. So buy one, get one for free. And if you scroll in here, you will see what you are getting. If you click on add to cart, the cart drawer will open and we will have our item added to cart for free. It's 0%. It's $0. So you click on checkout and you head to the checkout and you will see the same offer in there. So as you can see, this is the product I have both, and this is the free one, and I can proceed and check out and get the two products. Now let's get back to the Monk app and let's recreate this offer so you can have an idea about how to do it. So from here, we go back to the manage offers. I'm going to actually remove this offer, so I will click on delete. And I can either start from here or you can go to the main dashboard and start from here. And as you can see, you can all of these offer categories that you can explore, or you can scroll down and choose from the already made templates. I'm going to choose this one, which is buy X, get one more of the same item for free, which is our BOGO offer. So you click on it and you choose to auto add this offer. We don't want people to add the gift. We want it to be added automatically to the cart. So we are going to go with the auto add. We click on next. And in here, it's very important to name the offer properly because this is the name your customers are going to see on the checkout page. So for now, we will go with buy one, get one for free. You can later on change the offer name if you wish, like after creating it, but let's do it properly from the first moment. And we click on next. And as you can see, Monk in here told us that this name is going to show on the checkout to make sure that we name it properly. In here, the first thing that you need to decide is where you want to see the offer. Since we are going to use the offer that's applicable to all Shopify plans, we are going to stick with the cart page. If you want to add it to the checkout page, you must be on the Shopify Plus plan. So we're gonna keep this as it is. And in here, you can decide whether you want to show the offer on the product page or just on the cart. And as you have seen at the beginning of this video, I had the offer showing on the product page. And I think this is extremely important because people will know directly about the offer, and most probably this is going to improve your store conversion rate. So I will keep it on both pages. When I scroll down in here, the first thing I need to decide is where this offer is going to show for which product. So I will click on select specific product and contains any, and in here I will select my product. Let's choose another product. So let's choose this one, for example, and click on add. Later, you scroll down and you define the gift. And in our case, it's going to be a BOGO offer, so we need to select the same exact product. So from here, I will go and select the same product. So as you can see, this is the product where the offer is going to be applied, and this is the gift that I will get with the product. In here, you can modify some additional settings if you wish. I'm not gonna touch them. And in here, I'm gonna remove this one because I don't want to have any weird refresh on the page. So I will turn this off. And you can in here schedule the offer if you want. So if you are doing it just for Black Friday, you can in here decide when to start the offer and when to end it. And once you do that, you will see in here an offer overview so you can know what you have created. So this is an offer that's applicable for one product, and we have all of these settings set up. You click on next, and in this part, we are going to define or to change how the offer is going to look like on the product page and on the cart page. And this is very important, especially changing the wording in order to make sure that the offer is extremely clear. When you click here on show more, you will see all of these options in here. So in here first, you have this section where you are changing the cart before people actually receive the gift. So I'm gonna make the offer clearer. So I will put get buy one, get one free for free. And in here, you can change the banner description. So by default, we have add more products to cart to avail a free gift. We can say just like get your free gift now. And this is what your customers are going to see after they receive the offer. So offer unlocked, gift has been added to your cart. I'm not gonna change this. And these are the details they are going to see concerning the gift. So we have the product name and title. And in here, you will see the card they are going to see. If you recall, this is the card that we have seen on the product page. And you can in here click on edit display and settings. And when you do that, you can practically change the fonts. If you wish from here, you can change the colors, you can change the text style. So these are the text I have added before. So as you can see, this is buy one, get one for free and get your free gift now. You can change it from here. Now you can visualize what you are changing actually. And you have in here, you can in here change the colors and so on. You can play around with these settings to make this banner look exactly like you want it to look. And by the way, if you go in here, you can change the preview. So instead of previewing the mobile cart, you can choose to preview the desktop cart drawer or the desktop cart page like in here. Once you finish, all you need to do is to click on Save Changes and you click on Save. And now we will have our offer up and running, and we are going back to our website to see if it's working properly. So I'm going to go back to my store, make sure that you have your cart empty so you are starting from scratch. And I will scroll to the product where I have created the offer. So in our case, this is this one. So I will click on it. And as you can see, we can see the offer in here with the tags I have added. And if you click, you can see the offer. I will click on add to cart and the same thing is going to happen. I have my product and I have the gift added for $0. When you click on checkout, you will see the same offer on the checkout page with the same exact name that I have chosen for this offer. So that's it. As you can see, it's super simple, very straightforward. And with the Monk app, you can actually create so many different types of offers. Just take your time exploring them in here. And that's it. Your buy one, get one offer is live and ready to help you boost your sales from customers who are already buying. What I love about Monk is how flexible it is. You can create free gifts, quantity breaks, buy one, get one offers, and so many other ideas without needing any complicated coding. If you want to learn more about how to set up other offers with Monk, like for example, free gifts with purchase or upsells at checkout, I will leave the links of these videos below in the description. Finally, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.